Water. Why does it matter? Water is transparent, odorless, tasteless liquid composed of the elements hydrogen and oxygen. It is a very good solvent, meaning that many substances can dissolve in it easily. Water is important to our lives, and without it, we could not live. In fact, there are no living creatures that can live without water. Water plays a vital role and helps sustain life on Earth. Liquid water is an essential requirement for life on Earth because it functions as a solvent. It is capable of dissolving substances and enabling key chemical reactions in animals, plants, and microbial cells. Its chemical and physical properties allow it to dissolve more substances than most other liquids. Water can be used for direct and indirect purposes. Purposes including bathing, drinking, and cooking, while some examples of indirect purposes are the use of water in processing wood to make paper and in producing steel for automobiles. The bulk of the world's water use is for agriculture, industry, and electricity. Water protects your tissue, spinal cord, and joints. It does more than just quench your thirst and regulate your body temperature. It keeps the tissue in your body moist. You know how it feels when your eyes, nose, or mouth get dry. Keeping your body hydrated helps it retain optimum levels of moisture in these sensitive areas as well as in the blood, bones, and brain. In addition, water helps protect the spinal cord and it acts as a lubricant and cushion for your joints. Water aids in digestion. Adequate water intakes enable your body to excrete waste through perspiration, urination, and defecation. Water helps your kidney remove waste from your blood and keep the blood vessel that run to your kidney open and filtered. Water does not neutralize toxins, but your kidney use water to eliminate waste. Drinking water ensures your kidney have enough fluid to do their job properly. If the body does not have sufficient water, then metabolic waste will not be removed as effectively as they should. Water helps break down food that you eat, allowing its nutrients to be absorbed by your body. After you drink, both your small and large intestine absorb water, which moves into your bloodstream and is also used to break down nutrients. As your large intestine absorbs water, stool changes from liquid to solid. Water is also necessary to help you digest soluble fibers. With the help of water, this fiber turns to gel and slows digestion. Water prevents dehydration. Dehydration occurs when your body loses more fluid than you take in. When the normal water content of your body is reduced, it upsets the balance of mineral, salt, and sugar in your body, which affects the way it functions. The body loses fluid when people engage in vigorous exercise, sweat in high heat, or come down with a fever or contract an illness that causes vomiting and diarrhea. If you are losing fluid for any of these reasons, it is important to increase your fluid intake so that you can restore your body natural hydration level. Your doctor may also recommend that you drink more fluids to help treat other health conditions like bladder infection and urinary tract stones. So how can we prevent dehydration? If you are dehydrated, drink plenty of fluids such as water, dilated squash, or fruit juice. Eat food with high amount of water like fruits and vegetables. Avoid or limit drinks with caffeine like coffee, teas and soft drinks. And most of all, avoid or limit drinks with alcohol. The earth is a watery place, but just how much water exists on, in, and above our planet? About 71% of the Earth's surface is water covered, and the ocean holds about 96.5% of all Earth's water. Water also exists in the air as water vapors, in rivers and lakes, in ice caps and glaciers, in the ground as soil moisture, and in aquifers, and even in your dog. Water is never sitting still. Thanks for the water cycle, our planet's water supply is constantly moving from one place to another and from one farm to another. Things would get pretty stale without the water cycle. The water cycle, also called the hydraulic cycle, describes where water is on Earth and how it moves. Water is stored in the atmosphere, on the land surface, and below the ground. It can be a liquid, a solid, or a gas. Liquid water can be fresh or salty. Human activities impact the water cycle, affecting where water is stored, how it moves, and how clean it is. Remember, water is life, and life is water. So take care of life and take care of water.